How to make a paracord bracelet, Solomon knot. Very fast, very simple and very easy to make paracord bracelet with the buckles. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 Ready to Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna create this beautiful paracord bracelet. We're gonna use the Black Paracord 550, the gold one. This is also the Black Paracord 550 and this is the Microcord, the gold Microcord, and we have the 3/8 of an inch Paracord buckles. Also we're gonna need the jig. So first I'm gonna put this aside. We're gonna create the bracelet core. So take your jig, insert the buckles, and from here we're gonna take our shorter black paracord and we're gonna insert it from the top into the buckle. And now from here we're gonna pull these two cords through the loop here, and we are creating the basic cow's hitch. So this is the one end. I'm gonna return it to the jig. So now we're gonna take the strand and we're gonna make it around this core strand and into the middle, like so, and we're gonna return it through the loop here. So in the middle, around and through the loop, and on the side. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So on top, into the middle, and then through the loop and pull. Now we're gonna a bit rearrange it, tie it and proceed. So here we are, our bracelet core is finished. And before we proceed, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner, information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna proceed. Now we're gonna take our gold and the black paracord and we're gonna cut them out. So take the scissors, cut the ends of a cord, and now take the inner strands and pull them out. Now here we're gonna melt it, our cords together, join the black and gold, and we're gonna melt it together with the microcord as well. So from here, join those cords, like so, fuse them together, and we have our working ends. Now we're gonna put our joint part under the bracelet core, like so, and from here we're gonna start. We're gonna take the black and the gold paracord together and put it on the bracelet core strands on top of them. And with the microcord we're gonna place it on top of the black and the gold, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna tighten it all. Now gold and black on top of the core strands again, microcord on top of gold and black, around and from the back through the loop on the left side. So basically we are making the basic Solomon weave or a cobra knot. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just the best and see you soon. Bye!